3. These are our slides. Okay, I can't live without this. And then you need a couple of these locking devices. All right, ready to rumble.
Okay, we're gonna take the specified drill bit and figure out the target by reading the specification sheet. Millimeters.
This drawer front is gonna be inset a little bit. So I'm gonna measure my drawer front, which happens to be 15/16. The setback of this slide says it wants to be, the first hole is 1/8 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch. It's exactly 1 inch. So I'm gonna set my gizmo at 1 inch, which means it's this plus the specification plus an inch. Okay, so that's where the drawer slide is gonna live.
Okay, that guy's confused, but if my drawer front is 3/4 and Mr. Bloom says space it back an 1/8, and I prefer 1/8 of an inch reveal, 3/4 drawer front, 1/8 inch specification, 1/8 inch reveal equals 1 inch. Let's pre-drill the screws and drop in a coarse thread, number 6 gauge by 5/8 long. The locking devices come in. There's a $1 million jig, but if the drill bit is long enough and the correct diameter based on a number 6 screw, we're ready to go. Hold them in place, pre-drill, and set the screw. Please don't spin the screw. Okay, 2 locking devices and 2 holes. Read your specs. A couple screws to lock that bottom in, and ready to go. Almost. Blue motion. Okay, I like to use my bit that's already in my drill, which is a 3-in-1 bit. That means it's ready to counterbore a 3/8 hole. So by poking in through the front, I don't want to tear it out. And then in from the back, I don't tear out, break out, or explode the wood grain. I have a 3/8 hole. I'm going to place a drawer front and transfer where the drawer box wants to live on the drawer front. Extend my line. Center side to side. And pop those screws in. Wait a minute. Pre-drill. And then pop in those screws. Okay, screws are snug, not super tight. Let's check this out. Oh, not bad. Little adjustment, please. Okay, yeah. We're going to check the gap with the blade of the square or ruler, which happens to be 3/32. A little more adjustment, please. Oh, I like it.